In this video, we will show you how to use the grass catcher on your Greenworks lawnmower. This video can be followed for all Greenworks mowers with a rear discharge chute. We will be featuring multiple models. Be advised your mower may look slightly different. However, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. There are a variety of reasons to use the grass catcher. Bagging grass is an option often favored if your grass has become overgrown. While those long grass clippings are full of nutrients, they can tend to smother the healthy grass underneath. There are also a variety of other benefits to bagging grass, such as less mess and reduced allergy symptoms. When using the grass catcher, the mulch plug and side discharge chute must be removed. We will be showing a variety of grass catcher bag styles being installed within this video. Installing a grass bag with front hooks. Open the rear discharge door. Align the hooks on the bag with the rod at the rear of the unit. Close the door to secure the bag in place. Grass bag with side pegs. Open the rear discharge door. Align the pegs with the two grooves on the side of the mower. Close the door to secure the bag in place. Installing a hardcover grass bag. Open the rear discharge door. Position the grass bag under the rear discharge door so the metal hooks are seated in the grooves on the mower housing. Release the rear discharge door to fully secure the grass bag. Please note, when you start the mower, the full bag indicator on the grass catcher will open. Once the grass catcher is full, the full bag indicator will close. Emptying the grass bag. When the grass bag is full, the airflow will be blocked. It is important to empty the grass bag often to ensure your mower can function properly. Before emptying the bag, ensure the blades have stopped and the power source has been disconnected. Lift the rear discharge door and grab the grass bag by the handle. Tilt the grass bag to dump the clippings into your preferred location. Lift the rear door and reinstall the grass bag to continue. For best results while bagging, ensure that the grass is fully dry and that your blade is sharp. Mowing damp grass can cause the blades of grass to clump under the mower deck and prevent them from being pulled into the bag. Always keep your grass bag clean. Over time, your bag may have a buildup of grass clippings. As proper airflow is required to ensure clippings are pulled into the bag, this will affect the bagging performance. Be sure to clean your grass bag often using a hose. Allow the bag to dry completely before reattaching it and using it with your mower. Properly maintained, your Greenworks lawnmower will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.